finally I'm revealing my 2026 vision board. So hi there, my name is Priyana. I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is actually very special because today I'm making my first ever vision board. I've never made a vision board in my life, but 2026 is coming and I want to end this year with purpose and start the next one with clarity. Okay, so today I'm taking you with me uh, from writing my goals to finding inspo to cutting, pasting, designing, and finally revealing my 2026 vision board. I'm actually very excited. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So, the very first thing you guys have to do is find a quiet place to sit and write down your goals. For example, I'm writing my lifestyle goals, content creation goals, personal goals, and anything I want to manifest. Okay, this part is really fun because you get to list everything you truly want for the year, and I'm writing mine. I guess even I've written 20 goals for this year. Okay. After writing your goals, go to Pinterest and search for pictures that match your vision and that inspire you. Okay, download the images you like, they will automatically save to your gallery. You can even create a vision board section on Pinterest to keep everything organized. I'm saving some pictures that really inspire me. Okay, so this is really I wanted. Okay, next search on Pinterest A4 size background and download a background image you like or anyone. Okay, then open any photo editing app, anyone, import the A4 background and add the pictures you collected. Okay, let me show you how. This is how you have to add the pictures that you collected. Okay, arrange and resize them however you want to print out them. Okay, I edited mine in A4 size paper and uh, and then I printed it. Okay, at a shop. Okay, it cost me around 25 rupees per sheet. So make sure you print out at a good shop so you don't waste money. Now it's time to cut your pictures. I'm using a cutter because I find scissors a bit tiring. I don't know why. And but you can use scissors if that's easier for you. This looks so good because I'm literally cutting out the pictures of my dreams I'm going to create within this year, and I know that I have the courage, I have the potential, and I know I will make them happen in my life. I'm damn sure. Okay, after cutting, I took a piece of cardboard and covered only one side with black chart paper. You can take a thermocol or anything that is, hard or something like that. And then I decorated the corners the way I liked. See, like this. And this is really looking amazing. And I'm really liking this so much. And finally, it's time to paste your dreams onto the vision board. I'm really enjoying this. I'm pasting mine carefully using regular glue. It's not costly glue, I can say. So I'm really excited to see how it turns out. And if you're watching this is your sign to create your own vision board, my girl or my boy. Start making it. Your dreams deserves it. Okay, so finally I'm revealing my 2026 vision board. So this is how my vision board turned out. Okay, I'm really proud of myself. Just look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. It actually came out exactly the way I imagined. Wow, this it's so cool. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Let me walk you through like everything I've had it here. Let me explain everything. Okay, wait.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on, far across the distance and spaces between us. You have come to show show you go on near, far, wherever you are. I believe that the heart does go on.
Okay, this is my vision board. I added this picture because I want to wear stylish and classy clothes. This one is beach, and this one is also beach. This one is also beach picture because I want to visit a beach. I want to become a successful creator. I want to invite it to a famous podcast. And here is the nail extension. This year I really want to have one because I've never had nail extension in my life. So yeah, this one is for family trip. If you notice something in this picture, let me know in the comment section. So this one is for buying a new iPhone for myself. I got the job I wanted. I want to travel more. I want to take my first flight because I have never been on a flight on a plane. So, and I want to click this type of pictures on a beach, and I want to earn money. uh I want to I want to achieve a silver play button. I want to finish this book within this year, and I want to become a fluent, advanced English speaker. I've added Priyanka Chopra's photo because she has been like she is my inspiration. Okay, and this Paris photo because I want to visit there. I want to buy a camera. I want to start my vlogging, and let me know in the comment section that do you really need, like, if I ever created, if I ever made, like, if I ever started vlogging, then would you love to see or not? Let me know. And I want to have a pet. I want to have a pet because this year on the 7th November, my pet Muku passed away. So yeah, and I want to attend a fan fest. I want to gain this much followers on Instagram. Currently, I have around 63K followers on Instagram. I want to eat more fruits, especially in the morning. Okay, actually, I think I have uh, I have given a lot of things. I have no knowledge, okay, about this vision board. Wait, read this. I don't want to hear she's so lucky. I want to hear this. I want to hear damn, she worked hard. Okay, I guess I've worked hard on this also. Okay, so yeah, this is how my vision board looks like. Okay, now I want to tell you something very important. Your vision board doesn't need to be perfect, okay? Just add few pictures that truly connects with you, because when you see your dreams right in front of you, then your brain automatically starts believing that this is already mine. I've never created vision board in my life. And if you have never created vision board before, then please go for this upcoming year for 2026. And every year I just wanted to make one, but I kept procrastinating. I kept dealing it. But this year I finally decided, and I finally decided I'm going to do it. And see, I actually did it, and trust me, it feels amazing. It really feels amazing. So go for it. Just make your vision board. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And let me know in the comment section that did you like this video or not. Okay, and wait, you have to comment at least one for my this vision board, okay? Okay, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you like this video, and bye bye.